I'm Ben Krone, Principal of Gradient Architecture.
My name is Jaime Krone, Director of Exhibition Design at the Guggenheim Museum. This is our dog Senna. Welcome to our home in Red Hook, Brooklyn.
This is a complete gut renovation, and we did a two-story addition in the back of the house.
This is our family home we share with our two young boys, and we can't wait to show you inside.
We're both architects, and we collaborated together on this house.
When you come in, you enter into the main floor, which has the dining room, a living space, and the kitchen. Our dining table really serves as a main gathering space for the home. It's a place we come together for Thanksgiving, but also to do homework.
And since I can never leave anything the way it is, I had to design and build the top of the table. And since this is a place for our family, I wanted to bring some sentimental objects from my past. I brought my father's horn phonograph, which I played with a lot as a kid, and this led to a lot of other obsessions in my life. I configured our living room as a listening space around my audio system. The speakers are designed and made by a friend who has a company called OJAS. The speaker horns are multi-directional, which helps to sort of fill the entire room with music. This living space is used as a listening area and for nothing else.
Whereas the kitchen is used for everything. The kitchen represents the addition, and so we took that opportunity to design it in a little bit of a different way. We raised the ceilings and we added windows along the whole rear wall of the house. We can sit here in the morning and enjoy coffee. There's birds outside. It's a really pleasant experience.
In here, we have white oak cabinets, a solid white oak countertop, and both of these connect to the character white oak floors which run throughout the entire house. We wanted the space to be as light and as open as possible.
And also create a gathering space and a strong connection to outside. The family room is on the lower level, but we really wanted to connect it to outside.
To accomplish this, we came up with what we thought was an ingenious solution.
Instead of installing a lot of individual doors, we chose to install one single glass garage door,
which gives you an unobstructed view to the outside.
But in here, we still wanted to make it a space that we could come together for movies, hobbies, and other games.
But really, one of our favorite parts of the home is outside, so let's go have a look.
As opposed to the open plan on the inside, out here in the yard, we really wanted to create some separate rooms. So we have a dining area that's actually a little hidden from the view out in front. We have a fire pit and other areas to enjoy time with friends and family. It really becomes a space for gathering. The dogs, the kids, everybody uses it differently all across the year. On the top floor, we have two bedrooms, ours and the kids. Similarly to the kitchen, this room occupies the addition, and so here we also chose to raise the ceilings as well as provide a lot of connections through windows to the yard.
With the stairs in the house, I had a unique opportunity to test various ideas that I've had. The steel guards are actually suspending the stair. And the stairs in this room lead us to our upper garden roof deck. As an architect, many of my projects are variations of my own home.
We're really happy with the way it turned out. By the way, it provides a lot of opportunities for us to gather with friends and family, and it's been really fun sharing it with you. Thank you for joining us. Bye.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?